That pop sound when you crack your knuckles? It's not bones rubbing, it's bubbles bursting. Inside your joints, there's a fluid that keeps everything smooth. When you stretch or bend your fingers, pressure drops and tiny gas bubbles form. Then pop. That's the sound. And no, it doesn't cause arthritis. Multiple studies proved it's harmless, unless you're doing it to annoy someone. It takes about 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve before you can pop again. So, yeah, cracking your knuckles is just your joints releasing built-up pressure, not your bones crying for help.